Is your current role giving you the creative freedom and global impact you crave? Are you building something that truly redefines how businesses operate worldwide? If you're nodding your head, even a little, then keep watching because we're about to dive into why Airwallex isn't just another fintech company, but a place where innovation, ambition, and a global mindset converge to create something extraordinary. For too long, international business has been hampered by archaic financial systems, slow, expensive, and fragmented. Airwallex was born from this frustration. We saw a world where businesses, no matter their size, could operate globally with the same ease and efficiency as they do domestically. We envisioned a single, unified financial infrastructure that empowers businesses to transcend borders, unlock new markets, and achieve their full potential. And we're doing it. From humble beginnings, Airwallex has grown into a global unicorn, processing billions in cross-border transactions for tens of thousands of businesses, from startups to enterprises. We've built an incredible platform that integrates payments, treasury, and expense management, all powered by our proprietary global financial infrastructure. But here's the kicker, we're still just getting started. So, why join Airwallex now? Firstly, the impact is immense. You won't be a small cog in a giant machine. At Airwallex, your work directly contributes to solving real-world problems for businesses operating across diverse geographies. Whether you're a software engineer building out new payment rails, a product manager crafting intuitive user experiences, or a sales executive empowering businesses with our solutions, you're shaping the future of global finance. The scale of our ambition means the impact of your contributions is tangible and far-reaching. Secondly, the opportunity for growth is unparalleled. We operate in a fast-paced, ever-evolving industry. This isn't a place for complacency, it's a place for continuous learning and development. We encourage our people to take on new challenges, explore different areas, and push their boundaries. With a global team spanning continents, you'll be collaborating with some of the brightest minds in fintech, learning from diverse perspectives and rapidly expanding your skill set. We believe in empowering our people to reach their full potential, and we provide the resources and mentorship to make that happen. Thirdly, the culture is truly global and inclusive. We're a melting pot of nationalities, experiences, and ideas. This diversity isn't just celebrated, it's our strength. It fuels our innovation and allows us to build products that resonate with businesses worldwide. We foster a collaborative environment where ideas are welcomed, voices are heard, and everyone feels a sense of belonging. We work hard, but we also believe in celebrating our successes and supporting each other. Think of it as a dynamic, interconnected network where every node contributes to the collective success. Finally, you'll be part of a company that's not just building a product, but building a legacy. We're not content with incremental improvements, we're aiming for foundational change. We're redefining how businesses interact with the global economy, making it simpler, faster, and more accessible. If you're an ambitious individual who thrives on challenges and wants to leave a lasting mark, Airwallex offers that unique opportunity. We're looking for innovators, problem solvers, and those who are passionate about building the future. We're building a team that's ready to take on the next frontier of global finance. If you're ready to make a significant impact, grow your career exponentially, and be part of a truly global success story, then Airwallex might just be the place for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.